In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account. Setting up an Amazon account is your gateway to endless shopping possibilities, from books to electronics and everything in between. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking to create a fresh account, I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to visit the Amazon registration page. So open up your web browser and type in www.amazon.com/APR register. This will take you directly to the page where you can start creating your account. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page if you think you might need to help someone else navigate it later, or if you find yourself without your login credentials in the future. Now, once you're on the registration page, you'll need to enter some basic personal information. This includes your name, a valid email address, and a password. When choosing your password, make sure it's something secure. A unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Amazon will prompt you if your password isn't strong enough, so make sure it's something that meets their criteria. Once you've filled out all these fields, click on the button that says Create your Amazon account. Now, moving on to verification. After you've clicked the button to create your account, Amazon will send a verification code to the email address or mobile number you provided during registration. The purpose of this is to ensure that you really are who you say you are, and to safeguard your new account from any unauthorized access. Make sure to check both your inbox and spam or junk folders, just in case the email lands there. If you used your mobile number, keep an ear out for a text message. Once you've received the code, enter it in the designated area on the Amazon website, completing the verification process. With your verification successfully completed, you're almost ready to start shopping. Amazon might prompt you to set up a few more details to fully configure your account. This might include adding a shipping address where you'd like your products delivered and setting up a payment method for easy checkout. While these steps can usually be done later, doing them now will make future purchases faster and more convenient. And there you have it. You've just created your Amazon account. By following these simple steps, you now have access to a wide array of products, competitive prices, and convenient delivery options right at your fingertips. I hope you found this guide helpful and are ready to enjoy everything Amazon has to offer. Happy shopping, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and how-tos.